What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Easy Rock Plugged In with yours truly. My name is Shai, and join me in my well done fried egg. Yes, join me as I interview our artist for today, who happens to be an insanely talented femme fatale. Yes, I read this somewhere in Google. Those words were used to describe you. Femme fatale in your field, and just an overall fun person to speak with. Please welcome on Easy Rock Plugged In, Miss Karen Tevani.
Hello. Hi, everyone.
Hi again, hi, Karen, and thank you so much for being with us here on Easy Rock Plugged In. So my first question is, anong feeling na favorite ni Lord? Na yung sobrang talented mo to begin with. Of course, you're here for your talent. Tapos napakaganda, napakatalino, and you're a very nice person. So parang anong feeling na favorite ni Lord?
Lahat naman tayo favorite ni Lord.
Paminsan hindi ko feel. Bakit medyo unfair? Nakakainis. But yes, we're very serious when we say na we're happy that you're here, and we're excited to hear your new song. And it's called Pano.
Pano,
yeah,
yes.
Tama ko dun. Yes. And of course, we're going to listen to that later on. It's a live performance. You guys better watch out for that. And if you want to let other people be blessed with Miss Karen's talent, then do share this video to your friends. You know, spread the love, spread this Facebook Live to let others join in on the conversation. So, Miss Karen, what are you up to these days? You know, what's keeping you busy?
Well, of course, I'm always excited to write songs each week, each day. That's what's keeping me busy actually. Songs, and then traveling so I can find inspo.
Yes. Akala ko finding yourself. Parang ganun. Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. You know.
Okay.
Nakita ko na naman yung
Nahanap ko na. That's good. Good for you. That makes one of us, guys. I see you travel a lot. Where was your last travel, if you don't mind?
Last Holy Week, it was just at Tanay Rizal, just to reset.
Yes, kailangan talaga, no? Stay away from the hustle and bustle of the metro ng onti, no? But how was yesterday, April Fools? Did you get into some pranks? Did you do one?
No naman, because I was like, I knew it.
Medyo mas smart na tayo ngayon, no? Mas worry na tayo sa mga nakikita nating pranks
yung
online.
mga, preggy, don't like kids.
Alam na natin yan. Ganun. Pero ikaw ba dati, did you used to prank? Na-imagine ko lang, this would be a fun prank, fun, harmless prank for you to do. Na yung tipo, kunwari, hindi ka marunong mag-gitara. Paturong, paano ngayon paano ngayon, ano yung minor? Tapos na tinuturo na sa'yo, nung handed over to you yung gitara, biglang, that's Karen for you. Na-imagine ko lang. I don't know, maybe you could use it for next year's April Fools or something. But anyway, I'm over the place. Going back to you. In a 2015 interview, you said na di pa marami sa Pilipinas ang open to the fact that a girl can play guitar solos. Hence the thought of the prank earlier. Well, being a very influential female musician by Billboard Philippines, you know, you're named one of the very influential female musicians. How do you feel now that there are more empowered female solo guitarists or artists in general out there?
Well, I'm really excited for that fact kasi it's so nice to see young kids, especially girls who study guitar lessons, and then, you know, would come up to me na, can you teach me play guitar? Or yung mga friends ko na may mga anak na, oh, can you teach my daughter to play? It's really cute and nice. And, you know, to be part of, you know, those influential females who are still in the industry, that's really inspiring, and that's what really motivates me to keep going then.
Nakakatuwa nga rin talaga to see more and more women. And I don't know, maybe it's because we were so used to guys taking the lead, taking the guitar, diba? So parang whenever we see a woman do it, parang extra angas, extra astig, nakaka-wow talaga. And again, anong feeling na favorite ni Lord na binigyan ka ng talent? My God, you give me a triangle, I don't know how to use it. But anyway, we are gonna get to us listening to you perform your song and listen to you and your talent again. But before that, we gotta play a very easy peasy lemon squeezy kind of icebreaker called Fact or Fiction. So you have a placard with you that says either fact or fiction. There we go. And we just have to ask you a simple question and you have to verify kung totoo, kung chismis lang ba to? Ay, totoo to. Sige. First question. Karen misses her General Luna days. Fact or fiction?
Syempre.
Pero syempre fact, o, diba? Of course, the OG. Ganun, diba? The peeps.
Grabe sa OG. Parang tanda.
Well, again, no, not because matanda.
Yeah,
Just, you know, you guys are... Wow. Ganon. I don't know any other words. I'm out of words right now, but just wow. Medyo starstruck nga ako that you're here. And nakakatuwa. How about this one? For fact or fiction, Karen was confronted in a situation choosing between performing or songwriting.
Oh.
Torn between two lovers ka? Or hindi naman. What are you more inclined at?
I think binabalance ko siya because of course performing is very different from songwriting talaga. Iba yung energy that you need from performing compared to the energy that you need when you're writing songs because you don't move but you need to think and internalize.
Internalize. Go to Tanay Rizal.
Diba?
Internalize.
Find
Find yourself. Find inspiration for your
diba?
next song. Ganon. Okay. Sige. Wow.
Pagka-performing, bugsh talagang kailangan.
Like all out. It's really a literal performance. Yan. Okay. Sige. Fact or fiction? Karen went on a gaming marathon until sunrise.
Well,
ay, hindi ka proud pero?
Hindi, nung bata siguro. Bata, pero
so,
ngayon,
hindi
fiction
na. Okay. Back in the day, how long would you go just playing a game?
Kahapon.
Back in the day, tas kahapon lang yan. But how long would you go usually?
Well, now,
the bad days, yung talagang you're just...
yung nagre-rent pa ng computer. No? Wag na yung gaano katagal, magkano yung nauubos.
Alam mo, that's a worst question, no? Hindi lang sa gaano katagal, magkano ang ginastos.
Oo, yung wala ka pang sariling
PC, di ba? What games did you used to binge with?
Before it was yung, Halo, eh?
Oh!
Yung mga ganun.
With the big guns ka talaga, ha? Okay.
And then Counter-Strike, yung mga unang version.
The classic again.
Classic version.
You know what? I've heard so many stories of people not being their best selves because of Counter-Strike. Either they skipped classes, they skipped finals or something ganun. Or,
and then, I don't know if you remember, Level Up.
Wala na talaga ako. Wala na. Actually talaga, when I talk about Halo and I talk about Counter-Strike, I only really know this through friends. Give me Mario or Brick Game, that's what I know. Hanggang doon lang talaga kaya ng powers ko. But it's interesting ha na you would also get your... Yun po yung flaw ni Miss Karen. Naging addict siya sa game dati. Ngayon hindi na. Mas balanced na daw. Okay, there we go. How about this one? Fact or fiction? In an interview, you mentioned that you missed out on most teenage and childhood activities. With that, fact or fiction? Karen is still in the process of healing her inner teen.
Healing.
Oh, di ba may healing your inner child, buying all the toys, going to all the places and whatever.
Pwede. Buying all the toys.
What are you spending on often?
Toys. Kasi nung bata ako, syempre, strict ang
Again,
parents.
Di ba deprived tayo?
Parang, wag yan. You need to get higher grades.
You have to work hard for this, anak.
Nagka-work ka na.
Nobody can stop me now.
It's my money.
And that's exactly why, sabi ng marketing teacher ko dati, sabi niya, yung mga toys daw, ganun, and yung mga treats or whatever, it's not the children that's the target market. It's really the adults and their money. Yun talaga yun eh. And that is why parents, pagbigyan nyo naman mga kids, sige na, kasi in the long run kami yung lugi. We'll be spending so much when we start to earn our own money.
At saka guitars and gear. You know,
about that one naman, what's the term? Gas?
Oo,
alam mo. Gear acquisition syndrome. Hi sa ex ko, I learned from you. Gitarista rin yung ex ko eh. Ooh, Charots. And he taught me that term. Or no, or he used the term to justify spending. And it's a musician thing. It's gas, you know. Kayo talaga, sige na nga. So magkano ang pinakamahal mong guitar?
Around siguro between 90 to 100.
Yun na lang. That's all we'll say. That's all we'll say. Na-realize ko, medyo unsafe pa rin yung question ko, no?
Okay
Sorry.
na.
So, ayun.
Baka makidnap.
Oo, diba? Oh, pwede naman yung nakawin na ng guitar. Huwag naman ikaw. Huwag ka nang idamay. But thank you for answering our question. And I hope that you are going to heal.
Malabo yun.
No matter what age, you know. We'll always use an excuse. We're healing our inner child. You just want to spend, but we will still use that excuse.
Yes.
Well, thank you for playing our little game called again Fact or Fiction. Now we will go back to the important part of this program, which is talking about your new song, and it's called Paano. And supposedly it's about that internal struggle of knowing what to do yet feeling trapped in the situation until there's nothing left to give. So anong trigger? Ano nangyari? At ba't may ganung hugot?
Gusto kaya there's nothing left to give. Parang feel...
Ang galing ng writers namin, guys. Sorry, ha? Yun ang interpretation ng writers namin. Kaya yun.
But yeah, it's very true and mismo siya. So, Paano is about a relationship where you gave everything na, and then at the end of the day, alam mo naman talaga yung gagawin, but you ask, paano ka aalis dito, diba?
Anong gagawin ko? Ito na naman tayo eh. May kukwento na naman. I'm obsessed with looking at stories in Reddit. Or social media, whatever. Diba? So, natatawa talaga ako sa mga... So, my friend told me that my husband is cheating on me. Meron talagang video and picture evidence. Tapos, ganito may isang friend, yan ang pinakita niya sa akin, what will I do? Yung alam mo na, like, the evidence is all there. But you still have to ask someone else for the validation ba? Or you want to hear it from someone else. We all know what we want to do, but paano pa rin?
Yes,
we still want to know. Pero ikaw wala ka naman like crazy pinagdadaanan ngayon.
Well, I think ngayon, of course, wala.
I love the confidence!
Of course, wala.
Wala. Okay, that's good. That's good to know.
Yes. Kaya minsan mahirap mag-write ng song. Kasi
you're okay.
Yes, yes.
That's why kailangan talaga, if you want to write really, really good, dapat ba talagang torn ka?
Yes.
You're just broken and bent and whatever. Well, I'm glad you're okay now. We're all glad you're okay now.
We're all glad we're all okay.
Yes, yun. And ready for the performance.
Yes.
Oo. Back to the question earlier. But anyway, what about the lyric video? Nakakatuwa. Because you mentioned, we talked about games and whatnot. So I was wondering if it was inspired by that.
Well, actually, not directly inspired, but it was really the idea of Spark Connection. So I discovered this team who does animated videos. And then sabi ko, parang maiba naman. Parang, since I love toys and sometimes I kind of feel like I'm on the other world, parang maybe put it into a animated video. So yun.
Mukha talaga siyang game. When you if you didn't know that it was you, of course, advertising your song, selling your
Para
song out.
snippets sa game.
Mukha siyang ganun. Sabi ko, is this a preview of a new game or something? So in fairness sa kanila, napakagaling nila mag-animate. It was so nice to watch. But yeah, thank you for that. Well, how about this? Any life advice or takeaways to fans or to our viewers, of course, or listeners who feel like they're giving their all to someone, but only feels like they're being taken advantage of?
Wow. That's kind of hard, no? To give advice kasi you're not in their situation diba? When you're outside the circle, madaling sabihin, but when you're there, it's kind of hard. So my only advice is just to pray.
Generic.
Hindi, totoo. Kasi when you pray, diba, parang, that's everything. So just pray and the answer will be there na rin.
Darating na lang sa inyo yan, guys.
But of course, for friends, just listen. Syempre,
there
diba,
you go. And I think it's important rin talaga to have a circle of people to just rant to.
Exactly.
Diba? And hopefully, the advice that they give, makikinig rin tayo.
Kasi mapapagod din sila.
Eto na naman tayo. Pabackread na lang, ha? Sabi ko na to dati, pabackread na lang. Sinabi ko na sa yung advice ko dati.
May recorder na lang.
Yun. Ito na naman situation na to. Sige, press play na lang. Okay. Well, thank you again so much, Karen, for being with us here. If there's anything you want to promote, or where could we check out your song as well and your social media accounts, please do tell our viewers.
Yeah, so don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. It's just at Karen Devaney. I also have my YouTube channel, so I upload different kinds of videos and nice videos.
They are!
And then, of course, my single Pano under Curve Entertainment. Stream it on all online streaming platforms.
Well, there you go, guys. So, of course, the moment is finally here. We will now listen to Karen perform her song called Pano. My name is Shai. I'll check you guys later.
Hindi na maibabalik tamis ng bawat sandali. Pikit matang inulit pa, umasa na mapupuna. Bakit di ba magawa-gawang limutin ka? Ayoko na. Paano pa ba mahalin kung hindi ka lamang sa'kin? Paano pa ba ibalik kung nilisan kang paulit-ulit? Ba't di pa palayain kung di na sa'kin? Paano pa ba mahalin kung hindi na para sa'kin? Pangako mong nabibigo, damdamin mong mapaglaro. Puno ng katanungan, napagod na isipan. Bakit di ba magawa-gawang iwanan ka? Oh, paano pa ba mahalin kung hindi ka lamang sa'kin? Paano pa ba ibalik kung nilisan kang paulit-ulit? Ba't di pa palayain kung di na sa'kin? Paano pa ba mahalin kung hindi na para sa'kin? Saging ay may pagluhang umapaw ng kusa. Huwag nang ipilit pa, nag-iisang hiling na malimutan ka rin. Bahala na tadhana. Paano pa ba mahalin kung hindi na para sa'kin? Paano pa ba ibalik kung nilisan kang paulit-ulit? Ba't di pa palayain kung di na sa'kin? Paano pa ba mahalin kung hindi na para sa'kin? Kung hindi na para sa'kin, kung hindi ka para sa'kin. Paano pa ba mahalin